So up until September, I was a flight attendant for about 13 years. And during COVID, I was trying to transition, and I was always keen on IT systems and data. So 360DigiTMG gave me the opportunity to set up a good base and work primarily on Python and R. And then after COVID, when everything started, I had to return back to my job. But I still continued looking into the project and assignments, and I still refreshed my basics. So it laid a foundation. Well, there's a lot of competition, obviously. So the more projects you do, and the more you show your experience in the profile, and continue doing what you're doing. And if there is a niche that you like, you can work on it. I think, and then apply in that niche, especially if it's a hospital or a hospitality or aviation. You can focus on that area and polish your skills in that area. And when the opening comes, then it might look easier. I'm not saying it will be difficult on the other side, but it would require more work, because then your knowledge can be directly transferred to your data analysis or to the data science domain. So it's not that easy, but it's not too difficult as well. It's up to you. You have to prepare.